Hi there, I'm Christopher Dunnigan. This is HandmadeInVermont.com, and today we are talking about the Hubbardton Forge interior wall sconce called the Hildene. This is the 2079-16. It's also Hildene pendants in our dining section. Dining pendant section actually. You should check those out. They're very cool. This is 6.7 inches tall, 26 inches wide. Projection from the wall out is coming in at 7.4 inches. Backplate is 9 inches by 4.5, and mounting height, which is the distance from the bottom of the fixture to the middle of your electrical outlet box, is going to come in at 4.2 inches. Great way for you to see more details on that is to look at the install sheets, and we're going to do that now. Let's look over on the right hand side where it says choose your finish. You see the pull down menus. Look under that, just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a link. It's going to say click here for installations instructions PDF. So open that up for me. Those are the same install instructions that are going to be in the box when you get this. They have wonderful information. They're going to show you how everything is constructed, how it goes together. The really important thing is going to show you the back plate and how it's going to go over your junction box. So take advantage of that because it's there for you, okay? So it's going to be using dedicated LEDs, and how they do this, it's 24 watts of LEDs they're pushing out 940 lumens. How they do it is you'll notice that there is a rectangular box that makes up the frame of the fixture. The decoration, which are those wavy parts of metal, are sitting in a frosted glass diffuser on top of that. That frame has two long sides, and they both have a strip of LEDs pushing light in toward each other. So they're eliminating both up and both down. They're going through that diffuser. There's an acrylic diffuser that metal is sitting in. The light's going through it. It's refracting and reflecting up and down. It's also pushing light onto the decorative pieces, so it looks like basically glowing art that throws a lot of light all over the place. So it's a great fixture. There's also a few other ones, the Gossamer and the Cityscape. You should check those out too, and the Solitude. They all share the same idea. Anyway, so circling back to this is going to be about the equivalent of a 100-watt bulb. It's a dimmable fixture, so make sure you put it on a decent dimmer. Throws, like I said, a ton of light. What we're going to talk about next is going to be metal finishes, which is really important. So you'll notice over on the right-hand side of your screen, you're going to have two pull-down menus. One is going to be for choose your finish for the fixture itself, which is going to be the back plate, and it's going to be that frame that's coming out that is holding the LEDs. Second one that you're going to have to see is the pull-down menu. It says choose your finish for the accent. The accent are the decorative pieces, those wavy forged pieces that are sitting inside. A lot of people are going to do a contrasting finish. Some people will do the same finish. No right or wrong answer. Take advantage of the opportunity to kind of customize this to your heart's content. If you want to see more about finishes, we have a finishes help guide on our website. It's going to be in the red tabs over on the left-hand side. Hop in there for me. Click on that and open it up. There's going to be a video at the top of that page of me talking to you guys about the differences in Hubbardton Forge finishes, how they can look on different types of forging, and I'm going to be referencing a color chart farther down on the page. So scroll down for me. You're going to see that chart. Chart's going to have all these finishes on it. Some will have pictures with the letter A on it. Some will have pictures with the letter B on it. I'll be talking about all of that in the video up above. So watch the video, use that chart. When you're done, circle back down to that chart. You can click on any of those pictures. A bigger window is going to pop up and show you lots of samples of whatever you just clicked on. So like a whole bunch of stuff in dark smoke or burnished steel or soft gold, and that's there for you too, okay? So our showroom in Vermont has over 350 Hubbardton Forge fixtures spread across 2 floors. We have a what's on display page back in the red tabs again, so you can see everything that's here before you guys come over. Showroom also has a clearance center, and clearance center stuff is 75% off MSRP. It's returns, discontinued things in showroom samples. Awesome deal for you guys. Have to come here to use it. If you're going to visit us, measure everything you can think of, and I definitely want to know your ceiling heights, counter heights, table lengths, table widths, all those good things. You can take pictures of your project and the ceiling if you're doing pendants hanging from there with an iPad and bring the iPad in. People do that all the time. It's really great. It shows me, it's a way for me to see exactly what project you have going on, and we can kind of talk about it in the showroom with pictures. Okay? So when you buy your Hubbardton Forge fixtures from HandmadeInVermont.com, shipping is free to every state except Alaska and Hawaii. No tax if we ship out of the state of Vermont, and we're the only dealer with 90-day returns and no restocking fees. Some larger items are non-returnable, as are custom things. We'll always talk about that. It'll be on the page for it well in advance, so there's no surprises. And we offer a rush program. So Hubbardton Forge generally takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get product out. We can cut that time in half. It's very, very inexpensive. And if you want to know more about that, drop me a quick email at just sales@HandmadeInVermont.com. So sales@HandmadeInVermont.com, and we spell out the word Vermont, or you can call 802-446-2400. Showroom's open every day except Sunday from 11 to 6. I'm here every day except Sunday from 10 to 6 Eastern Time, okay? Any questions, let me know, and then thanks for stopping in today. Take care. Bye-bye.